What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMAT ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart. Then I will continue with some fundamental news that might drive the price of this ticker. And I will show you again the proof of manipulation with the price of this stock. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast and what should we expect from the technical analysis. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks. Link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, I made my previous video somewhere at this point, and from this point we basically hit the level of our previous swing low. Let me show it to you more thoroughly. We a little bit exceed this level, so technically right here we have the lowest point so far, and right after that, from this lowest point during the extended hours, we have this massive, let me show it to you, surge in price from the lowest point to the highest of about more than 24%. And we have very good volume. And for now we are slightly higher than we closed on yesterday's session. So let's continue with the fundamentals and what was the reason of this price action. First of all, let's start with the company profile. Metamaterials, a smart materials and photonics company, invents, designs, develops and manufactures various functional materials and nanocomposites. For now, its total market cap is $929.04 million. And I don't want to dive deeper into their financials because in a matter of about a week, we will see their earnings report, and for some data it will take place on August 16th, and some data tells us that we might see it at the end of this week or at the very beginning next week. So, and let's continue with their latest news. We are on their official website, and on August the 5th they posted this. Meta announces agreement to acquire Nanotech Security Corp for 90.8 million Canadian dollars. And here is the summary. Metamaterials trades 11.3% higher pre-market after signing a definitive agreement to indirectly acquire Nanotech Security in an all-cash transaction at 1.25 Canadian dollars Nanotech share for a total value of roughly 90.8 million Canadian dollars. Nanotech will also repurchase restricted shares units to acquire a little bit higher than 500,000 Nanotech common shares at this price, 1.25 Canadian dollars, and in the money options to acquire 4.58 million shares at 1.25 Canadian dollars per option. Transaction closure is expected in early October. The acquisition will significantly expand and accelerate Meta's design-to-production roadmap and extend its leadership position in commercializing metamaterials. Nanotech's nanocoating production equipment current capacity exceeds 7 million square meters annually at significantly lower production costs compared to semiconductor processes. Meta plans to support expansion of Nanotech's Thurso, Quebec facility, approximately doubling its production capacity to 15 million square meters over the next 1 to 2 years, while Meta's new 68,000 square foot facility in Nova Scotia will support large OEM licensing opportunities, manufacturing, training and product application development at pilot scale, President and CEO George Palikars commented. So, and what is this company? And let me show you their presentation. And right here you can see the Nanotech strength, and we have 5 bullets. Let me quote it for you. Significant market opportunities, multi-billion-dollar authentication market opportunities with additional untapped market opportunities for nanotechnology. Innovative technology, invested roughly $19 million in nano-optic research and development with 47 issued patents and 25 patents pending. So they drastically improve their patent portfolio with 47 issued patents and 25 patents pending, and it is very good that they have more and more intellectual property under their management. highly differentiated products. Innovative security products help governments guarantee their currency and brands authenticate genuine products. Customer validation. $30 million central bank development contract, UEFA EuroCup, WBSC and recurrent channel partner revenue. Strong balance sheet, $8.1 million in cash, no debt, and a significant investment in high secure production facility. So, in my opinion, it is a very good company, and they have no debt and they have a cash position rather strong compared to their size. And on top of that, let me show you that they have more technologies beyond the security, and it is a solar energy, 5G and other antennas, battery and fuel cell, and carbon capture. So these four branches are closely related to the nanomaterials and to their main industries, and that's why, in my opinion, it is very clever acquisition. And I have to say that Q3 and Q4 2021 will have much more impact on their financials for the positive manner. And let's continue with the official Twitter of George Palikaras. And right here he posted this article about black holes, and here is the reason why he posted this. And as you can see, we have the link on Forbes.com, and the title of this article is about SEC that is trying to prevent dark pools. And what is the dark pool? A dark pool is a privately organized financial forum or exchange for trading securities. Dark pools allow institutional investors to trade without exposure until after the trade has been executed and reported. Dark pools are a type of alternative trading system that give certain investors the opportunity to place large orders and make trades without publicly revealing their intentions during the search for a buyer or seller. This means dark pools is a very good tool, for example, for shorting certain stocks. And we still have this pressure, and let me show you that right here on Metamaterials News Twitter, we have this evidence that for now more than 60% of total volume is made on the dark pools. Right here you can see that we are on a MMAT ticker, and it is extremely high, and that's why we don't have this candle in a green color, because we have very strong bearish pressure. And on top of that, let me show you that right here on sec.report we still have for Metamaterials SIC number of 1311, and it is crude petroleum and natural gas. And right here on their Edgar system on sec.gov, they have a SIC number of 3674, semiconductors and related devices. This means even SEC cannot complete the merger between TRCH and MMATF tickers, and that's why they have these discrepancies, and that's why we have this massive short volume pressure of 25.73%, and that's why we cannot see some spike in prices of Metamaterial stock. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we are still hovering in between our support and resistance levels of $3.56 and $2.63, and we are trying to break our resistance, and it is a very good sign. Right here we can see, according to tradingview.com, we should have an earnings report from Metamaterials, and in my opinion we have to wait until we'll see some major price action, because we have this basically sideways movement for about 3 weeks in a row, and we cannot break either our resistance or the support line. And this means we have to see higher highs and higher lows in order to establish new uptrend, or on a bear case scenario we have to see lower highs with lower lows. But in my opinion we have more chances to go higher from this point, because we have more fundamental news that will enhance Q3 and Q4 of this company. the financials of this company, and this will affect the price of their stock. So what should we expect next? We have to see some kind of price action above this resistance, and then we have to see higher highs and higher lows. This will indicate that we are establishing an uptrend on a short period of time, on a smaller time frame, and this might be the first step to the major uptrend. And I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. In this case you won't miss my next video, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!